Almost 3 years after it began, California ending its COVID-19 state of emergency.
So this comes only months before the federal government plans to end its own public health emergency. And ABC 10's Monica Coleman has been following this story. And Monica, what big implications will this have?
Well, Conchetta, one of the first things people will notice is the COVID-19 public dashboard will go away. Sacramento County Public Health Officer Dr. Casire tells me that doesn't mean she and her team will not be monitoring the virus. For she explained, COVID-19 is still very much so with us.
The end of the emergency declaration in California is not surprising to disabled people because we have been planned out of the response to COVID from day one.
Staying home away from the public is still the guideline followed for Carice Hill.
I take medications that suppress my immune system, and that means I am vulnerable to all kinds of infections, including COVID-19.
Tuesday, the COVID-19 state of emergency ends for California. Carice says they are fearful.
Many labs have already closed for COVID-19 PCR testing, even ahead of the state of emergency ending. And it's already been hard for me to try to find a safe location where I can get like a drive-through COVID-19 PCR test.
The ending of the COVID-19 declaration does mean community testing sites will disappear. Sacramento County Public Health Officer Dr. Casire says people will have to go through their healthcare provider or use at-home tests.
The concern is that for people that don't have insurance, then they will have less access.
Some guidelines will stay for now. Dr. Casire says the COVID-19 state of emergency ending doesn't mean masks will be no more.
The health officer order is not dependent on the emergency. So especially for places like healthcare facilities, they still are under the emergency from the state that they have to continue wearing masks.
On May 11th, the federal government will end the declaration of emergency across the country. Just 5 states still have their emergency orders in place.
Okay, Monica Coleman with the latest.